Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious tomato soup without corn flour. We'll focus on an easy method that uses natural ingredients to achieve a rich, creamy texture. You'll learn how to select the best tomatoes, prepare them simply, and cook them down to create a wonderfully flavorful base. Get ready to enjoy a comforting bowl of homemade soup. For this recipe, start with about 2 pounds of ripe, flavorful tomatoes. They are the star. You'll also need 1 medium onion and 2 cloves of garlic to build a robust flavor base. A good quality vegetable broth will add depth, and simple seasonings like salt, pepper, and your favorite herbs will complete the ingredient list. It's all about fresh, simple components. Begin by roughly chopping your tomatoes, onion, and garlic. Sauté these vegetables in a pot with a little olive oil until they are softened and fragrant. Next, pour in enough vegetable broth to just cover the vegetables and let it simmer gently for about 20 minutes. Finally, use an immersion blender or a regular blender to puree the mixture until it's wonderfully smooth and creamy. Once blended, taste your soup and adjust the seasonings as needed. For an extra touch of richness, you can stir in a splash of cream or milk, though it's delicious without it. Ladle your warm soup into bowls, garnish with fresh basil leaves or some crunchy croutons, and serve immediately. This easy, naturally thickened tomato soup is perfect for any meal.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.